Who is that? Hello? Why wouldn't I be asleep? Okay. Yeah, we're still going. Yes, we will not back out like last time. You didn't even go last time, so whatever. Yeah, well, it's a smaller gathering this time, so I'm sure he won't have a problem with it. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Yeah, babe, that was them just checking to see if we're going to still be going to the little cabin. Yeah, for the little Halloween party they're throwing. Well, they wouldn't feel the need to check on us if somebody didn't cancel last minute last year. So, true, I didn't want to go either, but I'm okay with going this year. It's, like I told her, it's a smaller gathering, and different people, different lineup, so. What? What's that face? Come on, just tell me. What's this face you're making? Babe, nothing's going to happen to us. Everyone who went on the trip last year, I don't know, time is funky. Everyone who went on the trip last time came back perfectly fine. Okay, I know, babe, but I'm not trying to invalidate your dream. It's just, that's all it was. It was a stupid dream, okay? Not saying that you are stupid, but I'm just saying it was just a dream. Anyway, we should probably get up soon. Well, this little cabin is like 3 hours away. Yeah, and somebody decided to take a mid-afternoon nap, so here we are. Yeah, and we still haven't packed. We still haven't done anything. Well, if I don't go this time, they will have my head. So we might as well get up. Yes, I said that very begrudgingly, because I don't feel like getting up either. But hey, what do you mean? Convince me? You want to convince me to stay and get chewed out by my friends instead of just getting up so we could get ready to go? Well, first of all, You know me, and once I said I'm gonna go, well, then that's it. Last year, we didn't really give him an answer. We said we'd think about it. We said it sounded like fun, but we didn't give them a yes. I gave a yes this time. And again, most of the people that were there last year won't be there this year, so it's fine. Especially that certain someone. We don't need to get into that. I'm just saying. It's gonna be different. Babe, what are you doing? I can see that, but why are you kissing me? Get off. We gotta get up. Okay. Babe, stop. We have to get up. Yes, I know I'm saying that while still laying down, but it's a fact, and I'm just saying that so my body is prepared for the inevitable, okay? Let's just get up. Yes, handsome, I can feel you. Why are you such a fucking horny bastard? Like, one call wakes us up from this nap and you're just rearing to go. Didn't we do something before we took a nap?